Hello, friends. Sitting at home, having nothing to do, feeling very bored. Was just thinking about my younger days, especially when I was in Trivandrum. I was hardly about 8 or 10 years, and I was my grandma's pet. My mother, she was in Ernakulam, so I was being brought up by my grandma. She used to tell me a lot of stories. I was just thinking about one particular story which she told me, especially because I used to always tell her to tell me stories about mothers. Because I used to love my mother a lot, but I was away from her. So one day she told me a story about a mother, which I am going to share with you here. The story is, there was a son and a the mother used to love her son so much. She was a single parent. She used to love her son so much that she compromised everything in her life for the betterment of her son, for the good life of her son. Therefore, looking after him, taking care of him in every need, compromising all her personal needs for the benefit of her son. Gradually, the son started growing up. He grew up into a very young, handsome man, and naturally, he fell in love with a beautiful girl, a very beautiful girl. He was heel over head mad about her, and there wasn't a minute which he could spare not spending with her. Of course, he started drifting a little away from his mother and started getting more attached to this girl whom he loved a lot. And finally, one day, he asked his girlfriend, this beautiful girl, that why don't we get married and why don't you come over and stay with me and my mother? Because I just cannot think about even spending a minute without you. I am so much attached to you now. But then the girl refused. She said no. Then he asked why. She said, see, in no way can I come and stay with a lady whom I do not know. Of course, she is your mother, but not my mother. And I do not want to spend time with her. And of course, I have got my own reasons for that. But the boy insisted, no, you have to come. Every day this was going on. Every day he was requesting the girl to get married and come and stay with him. Finally, one day the girl gave up, but on a condition. She said, I will come and stay with you, but I should know the impact of the inner love that you have for me. So he said, why? Definitely I love you a lot. What more do you require? I am showing it. She said, no. If you really, really love me, just go. Bring your mother's heart for me. Go bring your mother's heart for me. He was really, in a shock. But the love that he had for this girl made him forget the affection, the love the mother gave for him. Finally, he had to agree. He rushed back home. He was waiting for the night to come. His mother was sleeping. He gradually went to the room and with a pillow, he covered his mother's face, mother's mouth, and with a knife, he started taking out the heart of the mother. He took out the heart. With that, with all that love for the girl, with his mother's heart, he started running towards the girl's house to show her how much he loved her. While he was running, he had a fall and his heart slipped out of his hand and it was lying a little away from him. He got up, again he went to the heart to pick it up. The heart was saying, hey son, are you all right? Are you all right? Is there something wrong with you? The way you fell, I thought it hurt you. Did it hurt you? This was the mother's heart. The boy broke down and now there was anything that he could do about it. And then he understood what is the real love of a mother. Now, what I want to tell you here is, these days when children, they are least concerned about their parents. They hardly have time for them. What they do is, they are all in their own. They spend most of the time for themselves, and then they get involved in their jobs, and then they get married, they have their children. Of course, they forget about their own parents. And finally, these sweet parents who really compromised everything in their life to bring them up are being thrown on roads, or they are kept in old age homes. This is the lifestyle that is presently going on. So here, what I want to tell you is, please take care of your parents. They are really lovable. They are a face of God. In fact, they are the face of God in this world. Without parents, we are nothing. So each one of you should really understand the worth of parents and then take care of them instead of just leaving them to live for themselves. How well they took care of you, that is what you should remember. Okay, just a small story that I shared with you. Hope you liked it. But the real thing behind it is, the moral is that you should take care of your parents. They are really an asset to you in this world. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.